Hello students, so today we are going to start a new chapter 5, more on MS Excel 2007, formulae and operations on rows and columns. So you have studied about MS Excel in your earlier classes. So MS Excel is a spreadsheet software of MS Office. So in this chapter we'll learn how to use formula in MS Excel. Okay, so you have used different types of formula in your maths classes, right? So in MS Excel a formula should be written with a equal to sign, okay, and maximum length is 8192 characters. So you have to know it. Okay, now what are the things that can be inserted in a formula? A formula can consist of values, that is number one. Number two is cell address. Third is functions. Fourth is operators. Fifth is parenthesis. Okay, values can be any string. String means any word, okay, any word or number. Cell address means the address of the cell. There are rows and columns in MS Excel, right? So when you say that it is this number of row and this number of column, okay, like example A1, what does A1 means? A1 means that it is a column and one row, okay, like D11 means D column 11th row. Okay, functions, there are some functions, predefined functions in MS Excel like sum, average, min means for minimum, max, and you have to write only min, don't write minimum. Okay, then there are many functions. Okay, now operators. What are operators? I will discuss the operators in details, but for now operators like plus, minus, multiplication, then division, then greater than, less than, these are all operators. Okay, parenthesis is the bracket. Okay, so these are the things: values, cell address, functions, operators, parenthesis. These are the things which can be inserted in a formula. Okay, a formula can consist these things. Is it clear? Okay, now we'll learn about text formula. So how to use text formula or how to create a formula? So you have to just use double quotes, like you have to write the text like Virat, okay, within double quotes. Okay, then another is Kohli. Okay, and if you want to join these two texts, then you have to use ampersand in middle of it. Okay, so if you use this formula, this is the formula, equal to a text within double quotes, ampersand, then another text within double quotes, then the result would be like this. These two text, this and this text will get joined. Okay, now I am showing you an example using MS Excel. Okay, so this is my MS Excel. Now if I have written here Virat, okay, I have written in E, see it is E and it is 4, eth column and 4th row, so it is, this cell address is E4. Okay, and I have written here somewhere here it is N15, it is N here and 15 here, so it is N15. Okay, now I want to show here in this I2 the joining of Virat and Kohli. Okay, then what will write here, a formula equal to E4, okay, then ampersand, then it is N15, okay, understood? I am writing the formula equal to E4. E4 means Virat, because Virat is containing in E4 cell. Then Kohli, what is the address of this Kohli? N15. Okay, so it will get joined here. See, in I2 it gets Virat Kohli. Okay, Virat and Kohli got joined. Okay, now let's move to numeric formula. Numeric formula means it will contain numbers and operators. Okay, so we have to learn about operators. So there are basically 3 kinds of operators in MS Excel. Operators. First is arithmetic. Arithmetic operator, you all know that plus, minus, multiplication, these are arithmetic operators. Okay, plus, minus, multiplication, division. Okay, then this one is exponentiation. This one is exponentiation, means power, to the power. Okay, and this one is percent. Okay, next type of operators is relational operators. Relational operators means, by name you can understand that it will contain 2 things who will have a relation in between them. Okay, so examples are equal to, okay, then less than, greater than. This sign is what, do you know? This sign is not equal to. Okay, then greater than equal to and less than equal to. Okay, these are relational operators. Third kind of operator is logical operators. Logical operators, it can have 3 values, that is not, and or. Not and or. Okay, these are the 3 logical operators in MS Excel, and it will have a single value result, either true or false. Okay, logical operators are used to compare 2 or more logical relational expressions. Okay, now I will teach you how to write a simple formula using arithmetic operators. So to write a formula, the first thing you have to use the equal to sign. Okay, then there should be arithmetic operators. Okay, without arithmetic operators, how will the operation be executed? Okay, and the next thing is this, that formula may contain number also, and formula may contain the cell address also. Okay, like see, here I want to execute a formula, then I will go to the formula bar, or I can write here only. Okay, equal to, see whatever is being written here, it will be written in the formula bar also. This is the formula bar. Okay, fx. Okay, this fx is the formula bar. Okay, equal to 10 plus 4 minus 6, then multiplication 2 equal to, then the answer is 2. So its value is 2. How? Because here 6 into 2 is 12. Okay, then 10 minus 12 is minus 2, and minus 2 plus 4 is plus 2. Okay, it is absolutely right. Okay. Now see, here I have written a numeric formula, and I have used only numbers, but I can use cell address also. Okay, like, see, let me give here 17, here 34, here 12. Okay, and in J7 means in this cell I want to add these 3 values, then I can write equal to G7 plus H7 plus I7. So these 3 cells have been taken. It will be marked also, see, blue, they are marked with color. Okay, now if we 63 is the summation of these 3 numbers, and I have not put here number in the formula, I have put the cell address. So you can create the formula using cell address also, using number also. Okay, and one more thing, before the equal to sign there should not be space. If there is space, see, the formula will not be executed. See, the number has not come, because before the equal to sign there is a space. I should delete the space, then only the formula will work. Okay, now the number comes as 63. Okay, then while performing calculations there may be some errors. Okay, like if you divide a number by 0, okay, if you divide a number by 0, like here, let me write the formula as it is J7 divided by 0. So see, here it is written the hashtag division div, then division sign by 0 and exclamation mark. So this is the error result which you will get if you divide a number by 0. Okay, there are other errors like 4 hash marks. Okay, when there is a big number, okay, and the column is not wide enough to display the number, then 4 hash mark will be displayed. Another error result is hash value exclamation. When it will be displayed, the formula contains invalid operation. Invalid operation means, like, see, let me here write a formula like J7, and I have given a opposite division sign. This is not a this is backward slash. Division sign is the forward slash, and I have given 3. Okay, see, hashtag name question mark. This is also error result. Here it is written that something is wrong I have written. Okay, it is a just warning result. So there may be some error results. Okay, now I will teach you one of the most important topics, that is operator precedence. Operator precedence. What do you know what is operator precedence means? Precedence means a priority. Okay, किसके आगे कौन आएगा? Okay, that is called precedence. See, you have learned Bodmer's rule? No, you have already learned Bodmer's rule in maths. Bodmer's means bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, it means that whenever there is a expression like 2 plus 3 bracket into 4 by 2, okay, then what will you do first? You will divide 4 by 2? No, you have to follow the Bodmer's rule. So what will you do first? You have to do the bracket work first, where whatever is inside the bracket you have to do it first. So inside the bracket 2 plus 3, so 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, then there is multiplication sign, division sign. Now in multiplication division, which you should do first? Division, because division comes first. Then 4, 5 multiplication, 4 divided by 2, this should be done first, not 5 into 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So answer will be now 5 into 2, that is 10. Okay, so it is the correct way to do a simplification. Likewise in MS Excel also there are some rules, okay, that is called order of precedence. Here the first priority goes to, again, bracket, same, and it is called parenthesis. Okay, second priority is exponentiation, exponent means power. Okay, third one is multiplication and division, okay, and fourth one is addition and subtraction. If you have an expression like 8 exponent 2 plus 3 multiplication 7, okay, now here 1, 2 and 3 operators, exponent, addition and multiplication. Out of these 3, which has the highest precedence? Exponent, it has the highest precedence, then second comes multiplication, third comes addition. Okay, so it will be worked out first. 8 exponent 2, 8 exponent 2 means 8 power 2, 8 power 2 is 64, right? 8 power 2 means actually 8 into 8, so 8 8 just 64. Okay, I hope you have learned in the maths class these all things. Okay, so 8 exponent 2 is 64. Okay, then plus 3 multiplication 7. Now out of plus and multiplication, which has the highest priority? Multiplication. So this will be worked first. 64 plus 7 3 are 21. Now simply 64 plus 21 is 85. So 85 will be my answer. I hope it is clear to you. Now I want to talk about a special thing. Let's say I have an expression like 64 plus 8 minus 4. Okay, then there are two operators, plus and minus, and I have told you here that plus and minus have the same priority of 4. Okay, has the same priority. Now in this expression, plus and minus is only there, and if they have the same priority, then which will be executed first? Now it is a problem. So answer to this is it will be worked out from left hand side. Okay, if this kind of problem occurs that these two operators has the same priority, okay, if this kind of problem occurs that two operators has the same priority and you don't know that which one to execute first, okay, you don't know but computer knows it. Okay, computer knows that if I have the same priority, then I should work the left operator first. Okay, so you will remember that left to right, it will be worked from left to right. Okay, our next topic is copying the formula. So let's make a table. Okay, okay, then here roll number, in this column name, marks, say marks in computer science, here marks in social studies, here marks in maths. Okay, the roll number is 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let it be for 5 students. Okay, name is Rahul, Riya, Virat, Dhoni, Saurav. Okay, marks in computer science, let's say 78, 87, 65, 79, 90. Marks in social studies 56, 78, 65, 77. Maths okay, so here I can do like this to make the space. Okay, here I will give it total, and in this column total of these 3 marks will appear, and I will use a formula here, equal to, it is H6, then plus, it is I6 plus, and it is J6. So our formula is ready. So 210. Okay, understood? I have used here a formula equal to this cell, this cell, this cell. Okay, now I want to use this formula for all the for all the names, for roll number 2, 3, 4 and 5 also. Then I should not write it again and again, just I have to do, this is the, see, this thing is called fill handle, this plus sign is called fill handle. I have to click it and drag it like this. Okay, now the formula will be, see, here is also a formula, H10 I10 plus J10, here H9 plus I9 plus J9. Okay, so in this way we can copy the formula. Okay, now we'll learn about the statistical functions in MS Excel. Statistical functions. So we'll study about 4 statistical functions. First one is sum. Okay, so what does it do? It calculates the total of a given set of values. Next is average. Okay, what will do, it calculates the average of the given set of values. Then maximum, it should be written as max. Then minimum, it should be written as min. Okay, it calculates the minimum from the given set of values. Okay, now let's calculate average first. So let's calculate the average of Rahul. Marks is 78, 56 and 76. Out of this, from these 3 marks we have to calculate the average. So equal to average, average, bracket, then we can give three values, means we have we can write these 3 numbers, or we can give the cell address. So how to give the cell address? We can click control first, then click on the cells, it will automatically be added. Okay, then bracket close, 70, his average marks is 70. Okay, now how to get the average marks of Riya, Virat, Dhoni and Saurav? Just fill handlebar and drag, the formula will be copied. Okay, so average is this. Okay, now who has the highest average? Saurav has the highest average. And who is the lowest? Dhoni has the lowest average. Okay, then let me write here max and min. Max, out of these 5 numbers I should calculate the max value, then equal to max, then bracket, then press control and click these addresses like this. You have to click these addresses and bracket closed, and so I have got that max is 92.33, means this number. Okay, so in this way you can use the statistical functions. Okay, and the last thing which I want to discuss today is the sorting. Okay, how to do sorting? Sorting means getting the data arranged in increasing or decreasing order. Okay, so now let's say I want to view who has got the highest marks at first. Okay, Saurav has got the highest marks, so I should view him at the top. Okay, so what should I do? I will click on Control A. Okay, Control A means all the data got selected. Okay, then I have to go to the data tab, this data tab on the ribbon, and sort. Okay, now this dialog box appears. Now I have to give, see here's column name is there. Okay, let's see the column name once. Let's say I want to sort on K, means total. Okay, then again go to sort and sort by K, and here it is written smallest to largest or largest to smallest. I will select largest to smallest. Okay, then here is the option, actually here is the option. See, it is not showing. See, this is the OK option there. Okay, let's select this one. So see, it is sorted, it got sorted. Saurav came at first because it is decreasing in decreasing order, highest, and it is the lowest. Okay, so in this way you can use these things. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Okay, and in the next class I will discuss about operations on cells and columns. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding this topic, the formula, how to insert formula and how to insert the statistical functions and sorting of data, then you can again contact me. Okay, I will be happy to answer your queries. Thank you very much.